So he was kind of struggling a bit there, but he nailed it.
Hi everyone! I'm Tracy.
I'm Chris.
And you are with Chris and Tracy. First, happy Valentine's Day. Sorry for the fanciness. We just got home from our Valentine's dinner, Char. And first, we would like to say thank you so much to everyone who has watched our last video. It has gone viral, and if you are one of the people who watched it, we are really thanking you from the bottom of our hearts. Especially my husband here, who isn't aware of his fame. Char, as you could maybe read in the comment box from the last upload, a lot of you has requested more reaction videos from our channel. I don't know if it was basically for my husband or from me, I don't know, but anyways, I would be joining him because I haven't seen this yet, and I'm not kidding, it has been requested for many times in the comment section. So
let's begin.
Yeah, do the honors.
This is Marcelito Pomoy remote control challenge, dual voice. So, endless love.
And he is called Vice Ganda. He is one of the biggest star in ABS-CBN, which is...
Okay,
I hope I'm allowed to say that.
Yeah.
Marcelito looks very tensed.
That's good though.
So far.
That's good though.
It's very good.
A typical American accent.
And also, just because he is standing beside Vice Ganda, he looks more shorter now.
Yeah.
But the voice is like, my love, like that.
It is. So. Dual voice. Wow.
First, that was very smooth.
Yeah, that was very good transition.
Yeah,
transition. My English is low, but let's see.
This is getting harder.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's very good. Very good.
Kristen is obviously laughing. He's like,
yeah.
Because the surprise is just, and then,
Very good.
Look at the height.
Yeah.
But then he have that incredible voice in him. Two voices.
But I don't know if this person wears some
heels. He is also wearing heels, but he's also tall.
Yeah. Nice. Wow.
Another wow.
Yeah, another wow.
So far.
Yeah, but I heard there were some points that he was kind of in the middle of one word with one voice, and then suddenly changed a bit. So he was kind of struggling a bit there, but he nailed it.
Yeah, he nailed it. Yeah. And it's very difficult when someone toot it for like, I mean, consecutively.
Because that person is controlling how you use your voice, kind of. So that's very good.
But from the first performance you have ever heard from him.
How do you say it? That he has really mastered his voices, you could say.
Yes.
Yeah, not voice but voices, because more than one voice.
Yeah, that's true. So well, this has been a very short remote control challenge, but anyways, I guess Christian here is still amazed by him.
Yeah.
Do you want to say thank you to everyone,
Yes,
and see you next time?
Thank you everyone for the support and following us and all those good comments and such and feedback. It's really making us happy. So thank you very much. Thank you. And stay tuned for more and hit the subscribe button down here somewhere and ring ding ding on the bell with notification if you haven't done that yet. And see you next time.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye people.
Bye.
Bye.